In today's DIY video, I'll be teaching you guys how to clean out your chimney. I'm going to teach you guys two things that will actually potentially save your life. Okay? What I'm talking about is if you have a fireplace, it's recommended you clean it out once a year. Okay? And I did it last time, and man, after I did it last time, I never want to do it again. Let me tell you why, because I went top down. Rather than bottoms up. Cheers. Creosote is a black type of soot that builds up in your fireplace, and it's flammable to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and it causes fires. So this year, I got this made by Homeowner's Choice. It's a chimney cleaning kit, and the beauty of this, you go up your chimney or having to climb your roof, which can get very dangerous. So what you do is get a drill, okay? You put on this little chuck here, okay? And then you attach, see what I really like about this is that you don't have to screw them on like the other ones. They just have a little clip right here. You press that button, just like that, okay? And then, okay, we're gonna make a little hole right in the middle here, like right there, like this. Next, you're gonna put this through here, and attach this in here, like this. Okay. And you stick it up this hole here, okay, just like that. He said stick it up the hole. Okay. Next you get some tape. Can you record my plumber's crap?
I was already twigged.
Looks like this is good enough. Last but not least, you want a little mask, okay? Like a dust mask, because even though I close that part off, I don't want to be breathing that stuff in. The last part here is getting a drill. I recommend a cotton glove, because you don't want your hand to be sticking here while this is spinning. We're going to go to the second piece now. So look at all that. All right, that's number two. So I want to feel for the cap. I don't want to go too high and push the cap out. There it is, there's the cap. So you have pretty much perfect amount for 27 feet for 2 stories. So I just bumped the cap right now when I went all the way in. All right, so here we go. what you do. Because I don't want to drill it down because I already drilled it up. Is I'm going to just take this off and bring it down. All right. Take it out. All right. Now I have it out. All right. Wrap this up here. So I'll have my affiliate links to all the products I use down below. And by the way, I paid for this myself. These guys are not sponsoring me. I thought I'd use this because I hope that helped you all out and how to save yourself close to about 150 bucks and potentially save your life by not climbing upstairs, falling off the roof, and not getting your house burned down at the same time. Okay? One last thing, guys. I'm gonna ask you guys, come over here. I want to show you something.